you, Mother. Oops.
Sorry.
These are the after effects of an attack.
Aftershock.
Aftershocks. So aftershocks. Well, Secretary General Kioni, we congratulate you.
Thank you.
And for standing strong. And we are here to show solidarity, as Mother said, on behalf of Azimio. The fact that the coalition chair himself came, who is also the party leader of Jubilee, should put this matter to rest. All those other pretenders, I think, should now scatter properly, so that the children of this neighborhood just scatter properly.
Yes.
By the way, there is, Mother would agree, a senior counsel, a very clear position when it comes to equity, because we're dealing with matters of equity and justice. We are talking about having an enabling environment where the bipartisan parliamentary talks can take place. But this desecration of a violation, an aggression on not just even multi-party democracy, but democracy in this country, for which all of us have fought. We will never tire from calling a spade a spade. And we want to tell Kenya, Kwisha, stop it. Just stop it. Just stop it. So that we can then move on to the next level. If indeed you're serious, some of us suspected they were never serious in the first place. All right? Otherwise, they would have by now, you know, the parliamentary teams could have met and agreed. We suspect that this aggression on Jubilee was a result of the arguments about the composition of the bipartisan team. That they have taken a member of Kenan, who is a member of Azimio, and taken him to their side. So they wanted now to justify that aggression, by that very unfortunate situation, by coming to cause to do an aggression against a party, one of the main parties in this country. So we want to say we are standing in solidarity with Jubilee. Azimio will live on. Azimio will get to talk. And by the way, at this rate, they're actually inviting us now to confirm the 2nd of May as a public holiday.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what they're saying. After Labor Day. If they think they are the ones who can bring 500 policemen to cause an aggression on a properly registered, well-managed, a former former president of the country is the chair of Jubilee, and you dare not even show him simple respect. Well, we will prepare ourselves, because if these things fail, Article 37 of the Kenyan Constitution 2010 stands solid, respectable, the right of every Kenyan to, in fact, I think this one should be led by all the Jubilee supporters on the 2nd of April. And then they kind of now seal this matter and put it to rest. So we want to urge from this position that this gerrymandering, these shenanigans really must stop if we still believe Kenya is a democracy. And that therefore they should look for somebody else, not Kenan. Kenan is my friend. Let him not be used this way. Let him not be used this way. Kenan, my friend, don't be misused. People in this country are watching. All right? So let them look for somebody else and move on. And they keep on arguing about Posing. Posing, I think there's the situation from the Registrar of Political Parties, as of this Friday, was that Posing's party, which is it? What is it? KUP and Jubilee are solid members of Azimio coalition. That's a simple thing. So please stop the shenanigans and let us get going. Our options remain very open. Thank you.